Hello! Please don't install nvda 2022.1 on your Windows servers. And here's why. But before I tell you, please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and post your comment below, because comments are something important which I really want to know your opinions, your suggestions for next videos, etc. And mahdi.com is my website, which there you can find my contact info and projects. Okay, here we go. The reason that why you shouldn't install nvda 2022.1 on a Windows server is that it can stop functioning. For example, some days ago I did this, and well, the thing that I got was while I was using nvda remote, I couldn't press Alt Tab to move between windows, and this is one of that problems that I got. So until a fix, please don't install it, or you may have some functional problems. I hope nvda add-ons makers and the NV Access team take this one serious and see if this is really something, or better say it's an issue. It's better to fix it. So please take it serious. I hope this issue will be fixed after some updates. Thank you. Goodbye.